terminate my service.
Charlie, one by cassette. Hey, music man, what time music you get?
Oh, which music will you say? You know, say me have the music man.
Oh, Charlie, you get the latest high life.
Okay, you are the one.
Hey, Charlie, Avanabu.
You see this? This be super sounds. I'll be one here.
Who for Ghana town go buy something where you know the check say that they use or you know you? Plan me that here now.
Oh, so Titi, you know they trust me.
Oh.
Where's the driver? Mr. Man, make you relax small. I dey call am car. Titi, oh boy.
Charlie Titi, tell you why? You don't pay me. Charlie, I don't get money. Be now where I can make I go one trip.
Oh, come on, masquerade. I was small about not on here. Cassette and baby can know you on the way. I waste time at bed. They won't look at passenger side. What are they going to shout?
What's more on fire?
Hello? Is this Mr. Ahini Entry?
Yes, Ahini Entry here.
Mr. Ahini Entry.
Speaking.
This is Silonet. You have only 1,000 CDs left in your account and you'll be cut off if you make any more calls.
Huh? Aha! Now, transfer my 8.5 million CDs. Oh, yeah, the 8.5 million CDs from my Stanchart accounts into my Barclays accounts. Yes. Yes. Right. And tell Mr. Peterson. Yes, tell him I'll see him in Geneva next week. Right. Yes. Good. Right. Hey, I'm a phone down. Can you please shift to the window a little bit so that I can have a little bit of room here? You see, there's no space here at all, and as you can see, it's a very long way from here.
We can't trouble the happen.
No, I just asked these people to shift a little bit to make a little space for me, and they seem to ignore me completely. Why? Look, if I had my red BMW with silver alloy rims had not broken down, I would not be here. I would not be here. Oh, God.
You see that thing we had to talk now? We're not reach anywhere. And trouble start already.
If you wanted so much space, you could have chartered a taxi, couldn't you?
So, if this taxi no good for you, you mean say me where I dey drive a fool, no me so?
Oh, no. Well, that's not what I'm talking about. And whether or not I have enough money to charter a taxi, it is not the issue at present.
So, what are we arguing about now?
But this is not an argument. It is a difference in opinion. Why did you, for instance, decide to sit on this side of the taxi instead of the other side?
Okay, where my eye choose to sit? It's none of your business. Okay?
Oh, I see. But you saw me close the door when you were approaching. So I expected you to know that I wanted to occupy the window seat.
So you wanted me to board from the old man's side so that he will be in the middle? Huh?
Why? What is wrong with it?
Well, there is nothing really wrong with it, except that he is older than you and you can see that. And if you don't respect him, I respect old age. Excuse me.
True. The middle seat not be comfortable at all, so You forgive the old man some peace and...
I hate to hear this argument all the time. No, why? Why are you people so jealous about we the successful ones? I mean, is it because we are able to make some money and have a better standard of living? Oh,
what do you mean for better standard of living?
Having material wealth doesn't always mean you have a better standard of living.
Of course, I know that. I know that too well. But what I mean to say is that if you plan your life well, you will not be taking taxi and trotro in your old age like this man.
Anya, I'm in a American city. Obinizaba. Obisinbilaba. That's only one banana. That's on your bed.
What is he saying?
Huh? He said if matter no catch you before, the thing say day far. But the day where you go catch you, it be the day you go smell pepper.
Onyanseni, Obunabe, what can I say?
What is he saying?
You know you get a big mouth. Make you ask him now. Yeah. Oh, I beg you, make us stop small. My boss they flash me.
You see what I was just saying? I don't know. I mean, you Ghanaians don't seem to have any sense of timing at all. I mean, how can he ask you to stop when there are passengers in your car?
Look, my friend, if you think you want to come out, make you go find another car, come out, you go free, go free. Look, I had a battery problem, and so I had to buy one 2 days ago.
This should be our battery wire problem. Huh? Oh, you could have come to tell me. Can make up port. I could claim goose. I'm going to clear a few goose from the port. Try to see me this evening. What is next time I sign this night, my mama? What I say? You have cash. I can't know. Monsanto, pajama in the bag. They're fresh. This is Ghana. Uganda. Hey, oh, yeah, we talk to what? We talk to. I go for a picture.
The time where you don't get money and you don't job for anywhere, the sitting room where they sleep, you get some. So look how it's foolish. Another secretary sitting for Encanto. The day wife go catch him. I'm sorry. Make us stop.
No, his son.
Ah,